everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today let's quickly learn how to log into your Airbnb account using the browser. First, start by opening your browser, be it Chrome, Safari, navigate to your search engine and go to www.airbnb.com. So here on the home page, tap the login button at the bottom. And here you will now see different ways to log in. Choose your method like Google, Apple, your phone number, email. Let's go with email address for now. Enter your email address that you used while signing up. Once done, tap continue. And your password associated with your ID. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap forgot password to retrieve it via email. Once done, tap login. Airbnb may send a verification code, just enter it when prompted. And just like that, you are logged into Airbnb. You can now book stays or view your trips. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.